Want to crush Walmart sales? Use Helium 10 Xray to find winning products before your competition. And the best way to find winning products is to see how much money they're making per month already on Walmart. And there's only one tool that I know of that actually does it, and it's going to be Helium 10's Xray. So let's use it in real time. So we're just going to click on the Chrome extension. Once you click on the Chrome extension, we've got Walmart product research. And what it's going to do is it's going to analyze the whole page for Pokemon plushes, and then it should tell us how much money they're making per month. So we can see which Pokemon's the best, which one should we double down on if we have a supplier, and resell on Walmart ourselves. So we've got the data right here, and you can see it shows all of the items, the product ID, the UPC code. But right to the right side, we can see the Walmart revenue. And you can see right here, obviously Pikachu's making the most. This one's making $20,000 a month right now on Walmart. Pikachu, we've got another Pikachu. And then you can see, oh, maybe you should sell Mewtwo. So a Mewtwo item, that one's making $400 a month, nothing crazy. And we can go into different niches and double check on those, right? Another one we can do is going to be Sonic. Let me see if I can do this without, they think I'm a robot. What we can do is click on this button right here and look at Sonic, because Sonic, there was recently a movie released, and we can see, okay, what about Sonic plushes? What type of Sonic does the best? What about Shadow? Again, finding different products and looking at how much money they're making per month. So right here, we go to Xray product research again on Walmart, and now it's going to be looking at Sonic toys. So we can see, again, if we have a good supplier, we can double down. Let me refresh the page. I might have to refresh it. Okay, so it's finally analyzing the Sonic products. And then we can see a lot of difference. So we can see the main Sonic figure, $60,000 a month in revenue, right? We've got this other one. The small items are still making $1,000 a month. More action figures. This one's making Lego, of course, is making $56,000 a month. $800 a month. $72,000 a month is going to be this Sega 4-inch tall action figure. $22,000 a month, a plush. So the Sonic regular cuddle plush is making $22,000 a month on Walmart. So this tool really does help you see, okay, maybe I can't make $22,000 a month, but look at the smaller items, the $1,000 a month. This is where you can double down and make that extra cash on Walmart, because there's not many competitors other than Walmart themselves. If you want to download this tool, just go to our link in the description, access Helium 10. Once you get that, you're going to click sign up for free. Once you sign up for free, you're just going to go to Google and then type in Xray Helium 10 extension. I'm going to do Chrome extension. And then you're going to see the Chrome extension, and then you can download it. And then with those login credentials where you signed up for free, you'll sign up and then you'll have access to this and you can check it out. So it's really awesome. Check it out today. Link in description. That's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, finding products to launch, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is where we're going to be fully managing your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is you can spend time working on expanding your business while we're the ones doing the day-to-day operations, helping you save time, money, and increasing your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.